I'm doing number 61b on page 30. You have a to the 5/4 times 2a to the 3/4 cubed over a to the 1/4. The first thing I'm going to do when I'm working this problem is look at the instructions. It says that assume all letters are positive numbers. So that tells me two different things. It tells me that, one, I don't need to worry that I have a denominator right now of a to the 1/4. So I know that that can't equal 0 because it's a positive number, and positive numbers are any number greater than 0. So that I don't have to include that restriction on there. And also, these fourth roots that the fractional exponents are going to create you don't have to worry about taking out the absolute value because you already know that they're positive. So you don't have to do the absolute value, and you don't have to do the restrictions on the domain for the 0 on the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to start working this problem. I'm going to go ahead and apply that cubed to the 2 and to the a to the 3/4. So I'm going to leave the a to the 5/4 alone right now. And then I have that times 2 cubed, a to the 3/4 cubed. So you multiply the exponent, so that gives you a to the 9/4, all over a to the 1/4. Okay, then I'm going to kind of rearrange it, and I see that I have the same base. I have a right here and a right here. Different exponents, all I have to do is add them together, add the exponents together for that. You're multiplying, so you add the exponents. Okay, so this is 8, that's 2 cubed is 8. And then I have a to the 5/4 plus 9/4, which is a to the 14/4. Okay, same denominator, just add the numerators, all over a to the 1/4. Okay, so now I have the same base right here and right here. So I still have a base of a and different exponents. So now I'm going to subtract. So when you're multiplying, you add the exponents. When you're dividing, you subtract the exponents. Okay, so this one gives you 8a to the 13/4. And that's my answer. Okay, so you might look at it and see 13/4 as a number that you can reduce. When it's a rational exponent like that, you can just leave it because it looks cleaner if it was a root. So if you had the 4th root of a to the 13th, I would definitely expect you to take out all your common roots. So you would take out 3 of them. So you'd have a cubed on the outside, and then you'd have the 4th root of a left on the inside. So if it was written as roots, I would do it like that. But as an exponent, go ahead and leave it as a mixed number because that looks way nicer than 8a cubed times a to the 1/4. So that's kind of messy. It looks like you should combine those. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and leave our answer as this one.